Good morning and welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia and I am in my study today and I'm going to be doing some cleaning and some decorating here in the study. I've taken out all the old decoration from the study and I'm going to be cleaning it up and I'm going to be putting some new items here in the study for the spring. I think that I may be doing a little change in the summer because as far as the curtains are concerned, as you see on the window, I wanted to change them for the spring and summer, but I couldn't think of what color yet I wanted. And so I'm working on that. And when I get the idea of which color I want, then I will change them mid-spring, early summer, or just in the summer. And I would change the curtains and maybe some of the items in here. Now, as you can see, these are 4 chairs, and in the center is a table. I love this style. And when I come in here to read in the morning, sometimes I read my Bible or other books, and I'll come and sit in here quietly because it's so calming, so relaxing. And this is where I read. I don't have a desk or table like an office. I didn't want that. So I just put 4 chairs around and I put a table in the middle, and I could come in here and just sit in one of these chairs and read any book, any kind of book that I decide I want to sit down and read. And I do that on a regular basis. So I want you to watch me as I clean it up and decorate it with some spring items. So stay with me for a minute as I get ready to start cleaning. As you can see, I have my cleaning products sitting and kind of dusting off these chairs because they're light color and they're very easy to get dust on. So I feel them right now, they're a little dusty, so I'm going to wipe all this down, and I will vacuum my carpet and do some cleaning in here first before I get started. Okay guys, I'm going to vacuum the dust out of the chairs, but I'm going to do all 4 of the chairs, but I'm only going to show you one that I'm vacuuming. And then I'm going to move over to the area rug and I'm going to vacuum that rug. But I want you to know that all of these, most of the furniture in this room has been purchased from Wayfair. All 4 of the chairs, the coffee table, and even the area rug was all purchased from Wayfair. I love Wayfair products because not only are they a nice price, but they also such a good quality furniture. And I purchased everything from Wayfair that's in this room. Okay, I finished getting all the dust off each one of my chairs, and now I'm cleaning the area rug, and I'm using my Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vac, and it's a really good vacuum cleaner. It cleans very well, but it's a little bit heavy for me because it's a cordless vac. The battery that's attached to it is a little heavy. Now, some people might say it's not, but for me, it's pretty heavy, so it takes me a little longer to clean with it because of the weight. I'm giving this room a really good spring cleaning because I usually don't do all of this. Usually don't take things off the cabinets. I may dust them, but not take them all the way down and redo them. I do this on spring cleaning day, or I do it maybe twice a year with some new items on the shelves. But I'm giving it a really thorough cleaning for spring and wiping down everything, making sure I get dust off everything, making sure I clean all the glass and everything around in the area. So this is my spring cleaning for this room. As you can see, I am putting some books over here in this corner here because I like to just grab a book off the shelf sometimes and read it. Usually I come in the morning and I read my Bible, and I'll grab another book maybe later on and just read some inspirational type books. So I have some on the shelves already, and or sometime I'll bring some in the room with me. But that's why I keep a little reading material in this corner. Now the rest of the shelves will be decorated with the color of the accent color that I'm using today, and that's mostly gold. I'm going to be using a lot of gold in the room as my accent color, but I will have some silver, some gold, and some cream because those are the colors in the room. And when I use metallics like silver and gold, I like to put them together so I have a little bit of each one on the shelf. Okay, I wanted to show you the new candlestick holders that I bought from Home Goods Store. I paid $12.99 for one and $14.99 for the other, and they by Rachel Zoe, and they were purchased at the Home Goods Store. So I got two. They're different sizes, and I'm going to put them on my coffee table, and they are gold. So everything on that coffee table is going to be either cream or gold. And those are the things that I'm about to put on the table. The other thing I want to share with you is that I got some pillow covers for my pillows for each chair, the 4 chairs. And the pillow covers that I got is in gold. It's metallic gold, and there's a little plain part of it that's also gold. And those are the new covers that I just covered my pillows over with, the new covers. here in this gold vase that I'm putting up, I found a place for my potpourri flowers. They're cream, but they smell so good because they're made of potpourri. And I'm putting them in this corner here. And I think they're going to do well in this room because they're going to make the whole room smell. But I am going to put a candle on the table so when the scent dies down from the potpourri, I will be able to have a candle. And here's the pillow covers from Amazon that I was telling you about a minute ago, and they are of gold color. They came from Amazon, and they are just the covers because I already have the pillows. So I'm going to just recover my pillows that I already have with this gold pillow covers. Okay, here I am in the foyer area, and I'm going to do a little spring cleaning in this area as well. I'm going to clean off everything first, and then I'm going to do a little decoration on the top of this little cabinet here. But I'm not going to put everything up here that's new. I'm just going to put some different things up here. And I'm going to go back to using my little lamp, and it's silver with a gray lampshade. And I'm going to put that on. And I like to use metallics together, so I'm going to use silver and gold so it can match what's going on in the study area since it's right next to the study. And so I'm going to add some silver and gold on this little shelf. Okay, I've completed my spring cleaning and decorating of my foyer and my study. And I hope that there was something that I did today that would inspire you to do something as well in your home. I found out today that I have 500 subscribers, and I am so thankful for that. So thank you to my subscribers and my viewers for watching my channel. And that means that I have 500 people that has supported me and that's watching my channel. And I'm very thankful for that. So may God bless you and may God keep you. This is my prayer.